with glow tips, glow chat, glow fun. Knowing to whom we belong, we grow in beauty, wiser and strong. Glow up and see who you can be. Glow up.
Hi Glow Getters, Ayana here. Hope you guys are safe and I hope you guys are blessed. For today's Glow Chat video, I will be sharing 3 reggae songs that help motivate me while I'm on my glow up because sometimes you just need a little encouragement. Okay, so the first song is Strive by Shinehead, and he says, sometimes it's hard, but try and you'll make it. Believe you me. In order to achieve, go forth and take it. Set yourself free. With obstacles in your way, you may fall before you rise. But if you really want good, your nose have to run. So get up and keep your eyes on the prize. And as part of the plan, you have ambition and the Almighty One as your foundation. Now, but I get rich and switch because that's definitely wrong. May I tell you, don't forget your friends and where you come from. If you are thief, remember God now sleep. And although you're a rubber man and you get well last week, you are gonna laugh out the street, but you're beaten going sweet because God is a silent river and you know him run deep. Beautiful, beautiful lyrics. I absolutely think it describes life, you know. You're going to have your good times and you're going to have your bad. Sometimes you're going to be in a valley and sometimes you're going to be on the mountain. But I think you have to just keep striving. You have to keep pushing. Even when it's hard, hold to God as your foundation. I love that part. And don't switch on the people who have been with you from day one. That's a very important message. And God doesn't sleep. Don't think that God doesn't hear your cries or he doesn't understand what you're going through. Everything is a part of his plan. Just wait and see. Throughout history, lots of great men and women who went about things the old-fashioned way and they just kept on winning and winning. So strive. Step up in life and go forth, you know. You got to strive. Remove the doubt out of your mind and let good flow. Be not moved by smart remarks or people who think they're witty. Keep on moving, boy, you gotta be strong. And don't indulge in self-pity. That's absolutely true. Like, sometimes you have to just forget what everybody else is saying. Don't indulge in self-pity and just know that if you keep trying, just keep trying. Be like the engine that thought he could. I think I can, 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 I think. And just keep putting your faith and your trust in the Almighty and just keep trying. You know, people have succeeded just by trying. You never know where your talent and where your skill and where your excellence is going to take you. Just stay on the legal, just stay on the correct path. Don't do anything for a quick instant win. Take your time, develop your art, develop your craft, and keep striving. Just keep striving. Absolutely love this song. So I'm going to play a little bit. Okay, so the next song is Rise Up by Jamaica United, and that just means several artists came together. This was a 1998 anthem in Jamaica when our reggae boys qualified for the World Cup. It was such a exciting time. I know I was young, but I remember the excitement in the air, and the lyrics are just amazing. So let's get into them. It's time to rise up. Stand and take your place. Shine like the sun. Your journey has just begun. Rise up. Stand like the brave. Rule your destiny and be the best that you can be. The world is for your taking. Giving up is your only crime. I've written all the pages of history. This is your moment. This is your time. There's a winner inside you, just waiting to answer the call. You heard the voice. Now make the choice. Now make the choice. You've got to follow and start believing, for you know now. And it's such good positive lyrics. Tits again. That song was amazing. Rise up. It's the glow up. It's the rise up. Just keep going. These are all songs to just help you to keep going. So my next song is Toast by Coffee. We can't ball in our life, man. We have so much to be grateful for. Yes, we might have a lot to complain about, but we have a lot to be thankful for, and we just have to have a heart of gratitude on our globe. It's not always going to be easy. It's not always going to be pretty, but it's your journey. It's your story. It's your history that you're writing. Keep writing. Keep going on. Hope you enjoyed the video, Glow Getters. Comment down below your favorite reggae song or a song that helps to motivate you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys again for watching. Glow up and see who you can be. Bye!